Samsung Magician, the official software from Samsung that helps you manage and optimize your SSDs. Welcome to Tekzoid, where we simplify tech for you. Today, we're breaking down the two versions of Samsung Magician, one for PC and one for Android, to see what they do and which one you actually need. What is Samsung Magician? Samsung Magician is Samsung's official software for managing and optimizing SSDs, available for both Windows PCs and Android phones. For PC, internal SSDs 980 Pro, 990 EVO, 870 QVO. View drive health, temperature and total data written. Update firmware with one click. Optimize performance. Trim. Over-provisioning. Run diagnostics and benchmark speed. Securely erase data when reselling or recycling. For Android, enable/disable password protection. Manage fingerprint access. T7 Touch. Rename drive and change basic settings. Get firmware updates and notifications. Limitations of the mobile app. No cloning, benchmarking, or performance tools. Only handles basic setup and security. Low 2.2-star rating due to frequent connection errors. Works best for simple tasks on portable SSDs. Does it work with other brands? Not really. Samsung Magician is made specifically for Samsung drives. While it might recognize other SSDs, most features, like firmware updates and performance tuning, won't work. If you're using an SSD from another brand, you'll need that brand's management tool instead. Is Samsung Magician safe? Yes, both versions are official Samsung tools. They don't collect personal data, only drive statistics used for monitoring and updates. Just make sure you download them from the official Samsung website or the Google Play Store, not third-party sites. To check more details, check out our full post, link in the description. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest tech explainers from Tekzoid. Have you tried Samsung Magician? Tell me in the comments how it worked for you. This is Tekzoid, where we simplify tech for you.